My channel, I'm Cherry. Today, let's solve one LeetCode question together. Today's question is maximum subarray mean product. So this question wants us to find the maximum mean product in the array, and the mean product is this question wants us to find the subarray which have the maximum mean product, and we need to return the maximum mean product value. So what is mean product? Mean product means the value, a number, and this number is equal to the minimum number in the array times the sum of the array. So what we need to do is to find the maximum mean product. Yeah, and we need to find which subarray have the maximum mean product and return the mean product value itself. Okay, so let's take the first example to explain. Let's see. 232 is a subarray of this array, right? And the mean product will be the minimum number 2 times the sum of the subarray, which is 7. 2 times 7 equals to 14. Yeah, and of course we have some other subarray like 1, 2, 3, and the mean product will be different. All we need to do is to return the max mean product. So my solution is a kind of complicated. What we need to do is for each number we assume we view this number as the minimum number of our subarray, and to calculate the mean product of this subarray. Let's see. We assume that the current number 1 is our minimum number in the subarray. Our subarray is 1, 2. Because we want the maximum mean product, so we hope that the sum of our subarray to be as larger as possible. So this subarray can be 1, 2, 3, 2, right? So yeah, this is the situation that we view 1 as our minimum number in the subarray, and our subarray according to this situation is 1, 2, 3, 2. And what if 2 is our current minimum number in subarray? What it would be like that what our subarray will be like? We can have our subarray like 1, 2, 3. No, it's not correct, because if our subarray is 1, 2, 3, that means the current minimum number is 1, it's not 2, right? So we cannot add 2 in our subarray. So our mean number can be 2, 3, 2. So this is the situation that we view 2 as our minimum number. And then if our minimum number is 3, we only have 3 itself as a subarray, right? And if our minimum number is 2, the second 2, the subarray is 2, 3, 2. I think it's very clear, right? So from the previous explanation, I think all of you have already understand that what we need to do is to find the forest on the both side. The forest element which is bigger than the current minimum number on both sides, right? Yeah. So let's take this as example. If our current minimum number is 4, what we need to do is find the farthest and the farthest bigger element. No, farthest element which are bigger or equal than current element on both sides. So on the left side, the farthest is 5. We cannot find the more farthest number, because here we have 1 is less than current number. So the farthest element on the left side is 5, and the farthest element on the right side is 4 itself. Yeah, so this is my solution. Once you have determined the subarray of each element as a minimum number in a subarray, you will calculate all the mean product of those subarray and return the maximum mean product. Yeah, this is my solution. So the problem is how to get the subarray, how to get the bound on both sides, right? Here I want to use a very classical data structure, which is stack. And I want to use a specific stack type, which is max stack. So what is max stack? Max stack is that for each element in the stack, if the element below the current number will be less than the current number. The element upper on the both will be larger than the current element. So let's take this as example. 4 is the most top, or the top on the top right, and the number below it will less than 4. And for 3, the number above it will larger than 3. The number below it will less than 3. So this is max stack. So what we need to do is to iterate through the original array to form our max stack. So let's take this as example. In this array, we have 6 numbers. We will iterate each number in the array, and we will get our final max stack, which is 1, 2, 3, 5. So how to get our 1, 2, 3, 5? Let's do it step by step. Yeah, we will iterate from the very beginning element in an array, which is 1, and we will put 1 in our stack because our current stack is empty. So when the stack is empty, you just need to put the element into the stack. Then the current number is 3. Because 3 is larger than 1, so we will put 3 into the stack. Then we continue to put 4. Yeah, 4 is larger than 3. Then here comes 2. Because 2 is less than 4. So what we need to do is to pop out 4, and then we want to put our 2 inside it. But 3 is also larger than 2. So we need to pop 3 out. Then we can put our 2 into it, right? So here you must find that if we want to put an element in the stack, we need to pop out all the elements in the stack, all the elements larger than the current number. Pop them out, pop those numbers out. So this is find our left bound, right? We found that 3, 4 are larger than 2. So what we need to do is to get the index of 3. So how to get the index of 3? actually we just need to get the index of 1, and we will plus this index by 1, right? Because they are nearby, they are very close, they are close. We will get 1. We know that 1 is the number on the right side of 2, and then we will get the index of 2, and then we will add that index by 1. So that means the left bound will be 0, right? The index of 1 is 0. 0 add 1, which is 1. So yeah, so this is how we get our bound. Of course, if you want to get the bound on the right side, you can just flip the array. Yeah. So I think I have told you how to get the bound of the subarray if we view the current number as the minimum number in the subarray. So I think we can start coding. Let's take a break. I am thirsty.